ni wasa itatu nyeni to beti wa mwanya nina mwenu witu no ngomba muthocha au kethiwe musia isia witu akotagie weni we o na tuyende ya kuma karibu sana.
Asante
Mukata
ne safyo
karibu kethia musia isia witu
na mukethia asia isia kwa mazira ni to Alois Makau Mutua kana musamo na na mubea mingi muno ndo akwethane ni omondio. Asante
karibu ni ndetu nesiulua kosa kura kwa majenzio ndo mwana za mesu ya ABC ndo ithitwe to ise so na ingi mambo makoneti oteti tuyamisa na mambo makoneti kosa kwa kura kana IEBC thina mubango wa kuandikithia NND milioni 6 nona maibi kia kiwango ki kweli
kiwango kiuno mabiche no mabiki ni possible
ni kwithiwa yu ni manawete kana nthini wa 11 days nimekwitha mainengane ibande 1 million na ingi ni kana kutethesia NND kukithikana ni meandikithia nthini wa kosa ikura oyu namba nene wazia nthini wa isese cia kosa kana kosa kura amoika tumoba imambe kusukumia mawali kuwe kwa nthini wa serikali 2023 na mayumilite nthini wa kosa ikura wona thina wiva
kilanga makwase ni kana tuitwa no conclude nundu asisia kindu kino ni jambi iseso dino ndi jambi na no ndi jambi still anarika mainamba kwata mainamba na blueprint mainamba na cheni maka support chao magonga milapa number 3 ugawe the engine till represented pao luti represented no twende no cia ACIA nzila tutona kunika for example twina ndingito daikane digitalized or you na with ya me say within one night ko bado twina complex system ko do not conclude tukaza kana twina mbole stando ko bado tuko mapema na bado tunaona kwamba system bado anja kwa compatible na kila tu emergency media kila kitu chonde
so emergency kuandikithia kwa mitandao ni mara moja
ndio ndatika ona 24 hours tell that uzi on ya no uziwo visibility matiko
so wandikithia wa kura wikwa wambie oyu na pe isio no sina by elections hithi wasiandikithwa amwikala mekuma ikwitha mayandikithwa so nuona masio kia ingi kuandikithio ni ezo ne matono kuyumilia na kuyandikithia kana meona ta ebinda ta ebitu oji nwe simeona mabatitwa haki oji mama asizia meona ta mabatitwa haki ya kosa kura ndene wa isiosu uyona ni mabatitwa kana ni wo wali totwa igwa nduona makasio kaingi kumose kana makakwa ngo
izira ta last number election tabatwe chini kindu kethia wana tu yapate nundu ni ku affect for example utabama chako central na bama Mboni north paka bingwa mafaili maka bingwa utoma manata competitor maka umyando mubama chako central akaibaya they compromise the results over with the NND minus akola wawo ko one way or another ndo makwasya ni uweka na ni uniko na kutethesia kukwata andu ma Mboni north kana isisu ingi kukwata the right person nundu no makwate andu mako influence from the others so it is okay na pay time still nangi 2025 2026 yonzia 2027 yonzia katika election so there is time no inatu katika process
no na tongo imena kianda cha kwikithia kana ni masukumi ya mweka kosa kura ila menda mboka nesio kana omete mikutano wisithe yani mekithia kana amoika ni mosakura kana mama uzitiwe yawo
kindu kuma kituma andu mema kuna kula oneka moika ni kukosa kindu kita awareness kana kusomethwa kana kumana their role kana ni mali tilameka katika mindoni kwa hiyo atongoi always tunatongoi mamoika ni mali te ku sensitize kana mali to kuone dia NND kana ni mali te kuweka ku take part kana ka voting then ku register then ku locate then ku verify kwa hiyo ni mali to take part lakini pena ka some element kala ka utumandu ngi mata register mata kali mata register oyu for example then wa lose off kana wa lose trust na alama ku kebelani we mona tajao umeona ta kila mone na they are just making noise, they are just meaningless. Kwa bado Gen Z is not one apena ka lack of trust na alama unena na tona maiko na kelele za inge. So kila kitu omorosorote ya you know maybe kukadha na movement movement magina kwa maga mino decide tukewa president latunga mamota Gen Z ne wono usenga monono ndo na within 1 week kila mundu ethebo nundu tu that ize Gen Z tungamira mosu no ethani kalonzo ethani ko madiangi ne matiangi na treaty to opposition as a movement. So pena motivation pena siningi so motivate like the people we don't know what who is our president. You nyuma Gen Z maka wamenda na mosumbi wa maseme nao edemo le alito le akasongo to le Ruto. So the man shata the best way onakweza rigijini no ni asia kukeza na movement nesu no ngwe ndanye kwanza na ndo alangila kukeza movement andu maazia Gen Z tumeamua ni huyu president mtashangaa sana in fact tana utona IBC makakitaza mongelwano
wemaje oyu muika Gen Z mayambite kwa mwaula makasa kwa
kumamwa tietele tetambo wolo de lonando amende mando no nzungu kama opposition from there it is that reasons we will be represented by these people undu twamakuyando naona ila laziness undu mainambo manai tukakunio to represent one undu you don't have trust with the current one because there are some pena events see little could take over like together na opposition kaweta this is the flag bearer instead of flag bearer they move with unison lazima Gen Z ni tuminyo kwa tono wito to make sure next 2 weeks kila mundu clear I tell you it will be so so tuko mapema
so njoo tumwetelete opposition iwete
mawete
flag bearer
it will be a motivating factor motivating factor ndo oyu na wekulyo mundu raye kulia ende tukakunio still atunja arrange
lakini ndio kwa soke kalona ja uketela
cho menda kwa sana na ni no ni mambi mena how long
twase ni about 2 weeks
2 weeks is very short no other factors like economic no the my youth yengi maina finance tandu amatene tone the monuko locate kuma ba ku the another county for example tone the mundu matu kuma ilobi na kuni amasako no we within 2 weeks I'll relocate from there to here challenges and that's okay although you can change wherever you are but I don't see or you to na ku conclude kana Gen Z si hebo no twasi any adoption law but fair factors ila si utuma adoption ya ku register because we lack motivation from our key leaders the one we are choosing maka mina kwazi Gen Z ondoko na tomba na tukasia onethe mindia onethe batukasia Kalonzo no na wawetwa oyu maina izino mautambo no na Gen Z yes you agree with the opposition that is the leader that is the one get it on amality the motivated sana
ni chao kuona nzame ya IEBC yale tekwika tatika na kuthangasi ya mweka kwikithia kana ne mosa kura
IEBC yo na wea yo yo na wea ndisikana ne matona ku digitalize relocation sindu imwe maka olanga uyomwe ndiko na beba for example ngeza nina 40 the other time at the river ba kana mulolongo ngeza nino 40 aba town na lito kwa IEBC I don't have to sindu zine fast nebinda nebituka nebinda my don't digitalize part of it like relocate na ku verify they have to do digital way it's very simple no already you are registered voter on ando isa ku interview na the database sia IEBC ko wona the trust on that they have not changed the database then a issue kila kitu na issue nondo wa ku working in the new registration no kama na nokaliwa sinu sila so IEBC need to digitalize part of it and need to digitalize registration relocation and verification kintu kimoja mali takweka kila kenge maketha mena numerous mena stand binge sio kuna uyosu na bado maasa tusomethia ninewe manambezia we ayu andu ala mamekwa zema Gen Z yako nemona twezi makita kwa IEBC yamwe so bado they have not created enough awareness alafu you leader la we after it no president wao wanda kila sio makazi ukilai Gen Z on in fact no kutokea he has never said you Gen Z wake up go and register. No gonna with threat. So you be the opposition. Na mwe opposition, we number decide who is the next president of Frank Vieira. No need to say it about. So nicho kudungu kuya they are penalty. Nini si ni mo Lancaster agencies. Ni mo Lancaster. Na we are kunwa na maidha na stance mbinge.
Was a president ndao kila kasia ende mu yandikithia na lilikana president Mototia Mwai Kibaki ndo wayando kama hauna kura wewe ni bure. So no na president alete kukila na kutangaza mweka kumia osa ikura.
Lakini jo threat ndio kukea. Chokokea.
Okay. No na maono kwa kwati wanthi ni mame utuma amwika mekosa kana maono kwa kwati wanthi na amwika kukosa we mena kianda nthini wa musukumo wa amwika kulia kwiyandikithia. Masisi ukwati undu wilie maikito kongo mayasi ona ne yandikithia ukwati no vendo kana wesethia makwatanite maimantha o tupesa twa kila muthenya maiwete kana maina mwanzo wa kuthi kuyandikithia kana wona ukwati wina connection na kuyandikithia
ukwati kwa wanarika no nasi ni one way or another when I no say you tuna nini katika digital era with or without money and need informed na wathi pe standard ya US itawa APA itawa information literacy information ata when no money ata for example do this crazy rototo kuna andola matakuna kuro no affective economically. So I can say it will not dictate a lot no already experience that we see na kasongo need to teach it a lesson okaza kwethiwa it will not affect by default you never together wait kwa chawali to default with or without money
ni kwate we Gen Z namba Gen Z bindani ya miatanyo ni mama atongo imoni mama balaizi ya langi tumilei twende tukandamane nuko ni nawe atongo emergency malele tono mele kwitha the same way mama balaizi ya emergency enzao mama melelelo limatwa ise maandamano mele kwitha pia oyime mama balaizi mekata meyu milimande mose kura nuko na malelete atongo ya emergency
maina mbolela hapa kwa ndio na mambiro lela nundu for example no asia media nona kila young leader ona media wagwo maptumeta poster come out register many they are following the media na go abeke mketa wa timings na pe alignment nundu oju ona no kona ndo makena kwanza government kwa kuzo makela mongo bana opposition ange madhi okunu mayanga so there is still an alignment you get that yeteleto so there is timing simbado
timing yo ya itaramba opika
nina inge for example Gen Z ngama nao oyimo tona kwanza mundu lama iti salaje no ni aje no gwete lakini yulo kunya salaje no that is it looks like a joke ko wona manjensi ya makazi hata our agency leaders alatu ona tatababu wino at least tuona ne mundu serious no aje no mumile which is it has sunk in our mind so nondo kabina kano kakuvetu minya kwe kali this time before December tuka calculate percentage ni calculate yawa the turnouts
okay tuyamba utani sana mwavundo makonete wandikithia kana kwa sakura toke ngalikone ya oteti muthanyani wa iyo kana o mithenya mibitu bau ODM ni ithitwe ewa mononga leko yolina mono na munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua na kumutabia kana ndailite kulicha ndongo iyo Raila Odinga nthini wa uteti wake maweta uteti wa pettiness kana uteti wake wango chande kana Raila ni mundu unengetwe ndaiya niko manja kana ODM liona serikali ende ise maundu nesa ni kwithio ila yangaleko ile ya kwa sawa serikali tena kwa pigo niko manja kana serikali ni vingi temetho maundu la serikali hivi thitwa ise bande yake
itwa Lucy Trust na chama na ODM. ODM nitozi flag bearer yo kana ulonga ni Raila. Raila. Na Raila is at sunset. Sio yake ende no doa. No ndo mwana Uganda ulibobuwa na Museveni. On season ground ina atiacha sia Uganda. Museveni, Raila are at sunset. We have nothing to borrow from them right now. Like I don't know borrow, it is done case. So ni maanisha well Raila gitio mandaba alikia position. We have young generation like for example now but because the people can see we are heading the wrong direction. I can say the Kenya Kwanza government ni confused. Indeed ni confused kabisa. So they don't know what they are saying. We have to ignore. We have to ignore that and we move on with opposition. And to build opposition, to go to flag bearer and make we align. And they will come together. Broad-based government is total lie. No bongo. Why can we get on broad-based government? No, broad-based government is okay ila atoku. Munge ruto atokengia to yani inclusivity kana kuete ando the pamwa inge but niyo yako silence opposition ni kenda weze that no kwete abductions bloodshed sio ndo zeze ndisi akawa but sio umela
wazekana ngwatanio ya Raila Odinga na President William Ruto ile ya sobise broad based government president akwate na Raila ndikana ku silence opposition lakini kweli ile wame silence yeno kuona opposition ila hivyo inaingete serikali pressure ile kuendeka
right now nipa ambio tuliwo baini nikenda tu amekwevanga ninaambia kwa na timings na weza kuwa nitoka ndo kibela ke the only way to no chosa between Gen Z na the opposition also ni movement angashagwa no aweti yenge and that is the only solution ndo with the movement no ukulyo kakulawa chama chako kwa movement ye kanake kwa serikali you are done case it will be a very simple question chama chako ke bae na guwa weba then Gen Z on the you know to get na president seat this is very simple so narratives mingi sia political parties they act and sikama under the truth when the nongina
ndo kagwa nono nikieweta kana president ni maybe to I plead me chama ni cha
ni kumaanisha another thing where they are on of fake something let me see another strategy where they have for example nundu wana wao usumbene na akosa kevela onekana a week because president of seat tukabita no onawasiza ba mumboni siasa sia mumboni no kono ndo belie Kalonzo unoma Kalonzo azia kevela kiu imaanisha Kalonzo muziti backed up kana unatoa no kuna chao president tutono convince Gachagua ada rigiji mundu ambu ndenda mundu ku chest thump kana mundu kuna no wewe na agencies opposition minino mwetekela uno na Gachagua oleja impeached Gachagua no weze ona still no ando amo bit hard so sindingi sienda andu kam ona Kalonzo esi ya vice president yakenda kethe andu ama mane na amo no andu akama tulite kutolia nundu nature and tofauti lakini movement kama bina
twasisia epitani ya maandamano Gen Z ni maumililie matiangi no wokie wesethia no ka into picture itina wa serikali lawa ibo ya Uhuru Kenyatta kwetha yathi mwewe ya aimenyesa serikali ni so no kiomboka ingi 2023 binani ya maandamano ma Gen Z ma Gen Z maiweta kana uno watu sakwa na mo kama kwa tenenga leke ibethokanyo ndino ngaliko sio lino kona opposition yilu metipyo
opposition ne yumetie lakini nongi no expect some divisions nundo nongi na nwese kalata siasa no karata saa inge na ke numbers for example Kenya because of 80 million votes for example na still Gachagua knows so at the same time the Alamego which is Kenya Kwanza no make us we don't divide these people or simuzo ngale kwena ngale no inge so still nichikumina kwa before kana kila kikatethia Kalonzo na mundu lama kethemwe ni movement izabu yaga Gachagua we kita kuthezia rutombi kito mubomoa lakini the movement no movement iketha amina kwazia ni mwana ngina tukamwekalelie na my focus without tribe without numete ba na the view all will be supporting him it will be done case ndo ngoma ya makwanya Uhuru Jozi tonganganita Matiang'i but Matiang'i na some qualities ulakite self president
so no kuona movement esu iketha thindu mwini makuoka kwanika nuzi ondo wasia vae mweso ni betha na betrayals mbingi na mibuthanio mbingi ukethethia unu wathama no wathiva unu wathama ona bata popeba no kuona opposition kana movement esu makao siovia either is strong nginya anomathi box ni magakone kura
yeah that is it undo that movement no neither a decision we are a movement for example we now edhani Kalonzo then they move Gen Z tumbia idozu na mayangri on the online on a leaders yao na tamakilete mayasi we have said our rigiji amesema ni huyu the other side wamesema ni huyu na wote wasema kina Babu Wino no izeka ni mwingine Kalonzo ashasema na ni wateto muno aya asifuna na wasino makilete akina Ndindi Nyoro mewa matulete kikumelone sana so from there and we are comfortable with that we move
so kila kibo tuitene maina mba kwa line
uweza no conclude kana a youth to ina register no to azim like 2 weeks it's too early for example utakoju ngeza ndienda ku move to somewhere kana kwa just schedule sia working so tuanze no niko the time no niko the time na bado na kwa system ni complex no la man we enda kwa ABC I wish we could do digital undu kunaza Safaricom star 544 kwa bundles star 544 uka change uka locate online then it is very simple why do we need to go there
maybe mena buya sio kuona ndo tamatonya kulikela mitandao hizo
ID ni ID wamina ku change no nginoka verify pedha na tunatumaina kiunundu for example si ndimo na ndilika mpesa ni yako personal password
kana pin
no do set no is set okay go in a way verify it is you doing that.
Okay.
When a phone number you have code when a email they are pendency into valid.
Probability vena probability ya Kenya Kwanza kosa ingi 2027 kana vaili hata
ndio na Kenya Kwanza nyama choza ona makekata do say ngaine wo weta ngo cia nende towards you kana against you nyino na Kenya Kwanza ngaito ya betie bonyi na betanga ngo bonyi nondo ni 1 second ngai watu ombia a little touch the hearts of the people towards you kana against you the moment you wanna sia mono sia melete no oni kumela binda parliament ya kimiwe pasa nyengi na bill ya kunwa ndwetha ngai ya kana ndwetha andu me towards you maka kuna kiu ole manage the hearts of the people are against you. In fact onani ukwendo ndakebela maka kuane mo. So the thing is the hearts of the Kenyans is turning away from Kenya Kwanza government. Now the moment you turning away from the Kenya Kwanza government, they will not stand with them. And things will be hard.
Na uthu kumiwa Kenya Kwanza withito wili atarondu weweta kana ulusani o yukuma tukubikia bu niguo wingibite pyu.
Ulusani ni ndeto cha goisu na mathuka makatofekia na empowerment. Empowerment hiyo ni kindu tutona ku authenticate. For example wasia no kana nengano mamota milioni maana eli yuo juke uote mota izuo juze tawa just yuke umala ba ugate kana nguku alama ikulicha nguku proof kana wanengani 100 million na ndo trace back to the nguku zio you and otaleju otalata. So they are doing things sina nini sita loopholes sia kuja so they are sustainable kiki nduko kuno ukikafurahisha ndo nundu ngona kwa ngoni sia thamie na kindu kila kitona kukwete ngosi andu ingi towards Kenya Kwanza no kindu cha metuke ni chuchu kitu empowerment chuchu kitu empowerment maana maitwa byo kwa malelu kana sindu si long sustainable kana si kutethia a youth wananota megato no sema kwa lelu uketheta na tethia the GDP utana mitethia aya farming no ni taxes siwo ikana makwate tax burden yivo aya akena mefo house levy for example building of houses aya next rijai mnoka for example utaze baka betonge onu ndio na Ruto ndasoka so Ruto akampaka konge mundu zungi akaendeje kwa kanomba kana ndakaendeje I tell you definitely no. So the maanisha hata akenda makazi ya pembeza tawazi uende Kenya Kwanza siaka tusumba na twigwa rithi onde so it is a total mess. It is a very total mess kuma ndo kamo.
Okay. And then wa ithango ya the Daily na the Standard ni awetaka nango bani singibete pyu then wa mie 5 serikali iweta kwetha ikovete 95 billion kwa muthenya thi ikova 32.4 million. Wiona ino nicio cio utumi wa nthini wa kunda mboga imeothi nicio gitumi kwithitwe na utumi mwingi wa mbeca nicio gitumi makovete muno as we stand 12 trillion nicio Kenya ikovete kubikia wa
o yindi namba kuona kindu long and sustainable yukunitwe ni serikali kwa kila ndo nakwazia muno mbeca imetumia so subia cia campaign 2027 na kuwandu kitanyindwa ndwasia Kalonzo no kwiwa aibube be mindo kwa umana be mupando no ni bandikitwe billion sila wale tonengwa siuma ba it is that money so they make us sindu ite na wet pito ni kwa their own benefits ku sustain in power na pata wa maundu mo so corruption yes muno besa corruption indicator kwa just may sustain ndo mo enende mama leile na maikwata opposition mama kwata Kalonzo sima weekend lakini yu Kalonzo akathiba andetha to sane cia ndo we mwene ni capable ndo no mwezi na munuka ata no go to na kwibungamia kwa mesia maso kaigu of which I think and I know Kalonzo ndeza kwetekela but the thing is meana ngambeza nikenda me in power they get the people they silence the people na may gain the numbers the people of which it might be hard for them
Okay. Na wewe na ukwati wa nthi wili ata ona kutoka kwena ngoma mbingi ukwati wa wili ata
ukwati wa nthi ila ndo mekwasia katika ukwati growth nigo measia no twende no grow hina we politician ungenda weta ndazi nga inoona wisembu ati moma na yutaka kuina uweza kondo ko biza ko twetha thenani mundu leu ni ogeni chambe production and I thank God for that more Kenya kwanza ndi played a lot in the GDP no nga yuru baogeta ndo baogeta to provide food na the other factors na uchumi pesa they not much money pina pesa mingi since circulation hakuna na hizi mmoja pesa kwa magunia ni kana zibiwa ba in fact last week ona kama ninaando mazi apel pesa nini si katika circulation nini mono so I don't know but less of this central bank no ma advice yawa lakini we need change.
Okay,
we need change mpaka economic advisors
raziato endeni wa ulosani kana sindu ila siende endeni wa serikali ya Kenya kwanza kwa kilingo kini bione bakwatikanite siko mingi cia uthoocia kana utandithia wanda wacia kupila sikwatite kiwanza ne charge kiaye no cia bwitina baina na siko taisu na ndeni wetha wethe stand elete kana ula be mundu una kwatiwe suspect na yakoloja na kwitha eba kubi na serikali ndeni watandithia cia wanda wacia kumila na kwa serikali ende watu ya asili kukitana na utandithia cia wanda wacia kumila na utomi wacio ndukona iya ni ciaki
wale tambo mana dio na yani cia yale tambo mana the key players ala motandithia ndawa monao na mubande wiva mato nenda ndo asu mailiana na serikali la yego anono aliana na serikali yego no kuna sindu ite cia ugo ondo serikali simbithe mbinge urona ya mundu zunu akuna atene na maybe yoko opposition na ambia ko serikali amana no ambeza kutoa bozi ni dokumilia serikali nya biki no trust yana cho whatsoever I don't is ni peke ndio itawa ground mundu noni ke baso Gen Z ona noni clips yakenda zaka nawe kiarea to miwe ya mwekaliande ugaze na trafo pengi za kuzia kwa twa wanengwa mabalua madhukuma serikali so ukagethia political interest ningi tuma makengana okay that it is not the truth of the matter corruption is high and what about drunk trafficking the same things they are married so ndo na kwa serikali ile bone kumina na nini na drunk trafficking wale tambo ma key players now na makini laba ndo corruption to say high drunk trafficking no azie nende no kimwe ndela but I don't see it so yenye naona tando mali ane na ula wekali ile kepela
okay okay na audit tuelekele 2027 kana tuelekele ndeni wakwe kuni amalebe kwa ateti atongo ima ukamba maileta umanyata
2027 kila ndo makwasiani kana akamba ni mwisi kingpin witu ulani Stephen Kalonzo katika opposition na katika opposition ni mwene bune bope na ugo na ni bope na strength na itu enepe na backup from other tribes na ndwala matetha makweti wa tribe mumati ya ugo the right and the just kila ndo makwaseti akamali tukito backup and the people in opposition na ala mekuba tubangite ni movement tutoweta party kana anything we are focused kupata angola wiwo nika tuko at the right people tunga mena Kalonzo ni ebo is ebo na ngaino ndo nini sie pande wake ngaino kutuwezesha galile kebela ikindu kila isi and men determined ikindu kila tiki kibina
twase Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka wethi waena power mbingi ku kamba nuona ku yangaleko yesa ku ya yolusi tona kwitha sina mwekio nake nikana kumukwata koko
one nenge he has proved himself nenge dethi katika opposition na Laila over
ningi twasisia ateti yangi manasia ndongo ya Wiper thisikio kapa we woka thisikio Western ona akathima on Kenya ndesikie so no wona one news wo ne wa woi kana ndo mata biata
maeli to sisi Kalonzo na Wiper party pena nini affiliation bingwe there na siombaka impact ya Mombasa and other regions on Nairobi so wasisia that influence based on Makueni, Kitui na Machakos with our Petianondo, Pena main areas. The other time I think they calculated nini no what more than 5 million being I think 5 from different regions to calculate based on Kampala. And on the umekuwa na kuungama kipelani nyita kwa nyanga ungama ba masako chako central o MCA ungama utaukia it is your time take that opportunity ungameta we leader na kila ndo mekumwe andwala photos alama tana disiti kuungama registered na ndo locate balo kwenda kunia kura na ndo ya monana kuna kura tupendwe nono ndino ne ditu na twa makwika kiu tukekala atu abini na tuikwata na chao tuikwata the wrong leaders na twa makwata still tukumia na the future is ours future ne ditu amukai tayungana mwazize kila kiende the youths imende no betanga Museveni so for that ningona mwamina kukela kwa wingi mwa register na mwa port movement yoka kana chon whichever wave ikoka mwe already mwe registered na mwe tayari kuno that is the only way to exercise our power
na matongo emergency ndo bioneka je ya kwa na wao ni mwako hata mwenende nyene ona tongo emergency ni tamalele te ndo ibindi wethia Twitter kwanza hiyo hivyo vita ugazeti wa tweet ite jitokeze chukua bendera chukua maji beba simu o ndio na Twitter itrend ite na kuweta kana vote enda wiandikithia enda wasekura ethano na kibando no sisia namba nene amba Gen Z bindani una alama matene ibande ndiko na metwe enda wose kibande wasekura usinu wona kanyata mwene te kwa kana ma leaders na mone lita malele te bando utono me arona kuma kwa
leaders muno ama media a lot of sensitize the youths no twambesie bit by bit although nini sibe bina kindo kita critical analysis kana or nini sibe ila critical ya twas for example opposition malecho or alecho which are the strategies to use number 2 no nesi numu bitha kati le kutumika so twambo sensitize people kana Gen Z's na alama tafotia kana alama na ku 40 to 40 there is no influence less mobilize na tuimanda formula ya mundu kuproof ula uta ane mundu onania ula uta register ula uta register yani a way ya kuprove no register onela boka magewa dikai identify yourself and then you register fresh na nando meanata to certain data tukazia this region tukwatia ndo meano mona neki tukasaturates no boka formulas we can ondu tono kwata of formulas ya kungamana ola witu not with na formulas sia ku identify each IBC branch challenges tandomana ata na eng na tuimobilize tuinanga na data the moment we share the reports is the moment we'll wake up people nundu nongina tuka proof with reports kana with the data from the branches izo ngo wananzia ito na utumika ni leaders ma agency kuona nyakana kuthuthia andu before to what a decision no tukaungamia izo no we can do that nundu ni nesi siasa national sienda kupita card strategies or play calm takwaya kwa siasa nitoa mosamo I have a lot to sell but I don't say what lakini nitazitoa chao ya mosamo hiyo azitoa kuna exercise the quarter reports every corner dunanga no Twitter we hold meetings why this branch this county having these numbers and sensitize wala meguku and not just sponsor. We can also sponsor the people to carry out to go and educate. And that when civic education, we educate them. That's what I can say.
so you mami na kuweta woni lakini maweta tene ni andu ai nimo andu ala menga liko ile ngine meo manondo meo kathauka so mami na kuweta ila numbers mwasi I don't like kumela
igomela lakini oju ma leaders no must sensitize tukosa reports every branch like Kitui IBC ama Kwene IBC all the 47 counties Makasia we need to get the new number isn't it ila rates tukaze tunaye mayuthi manana mabikiegu kana tukwatie mayuthi manano mona kana tukwatie these new numbers nikana tukakwata the new increment not the increment of value kana kila cha increase nikaenda tukamotivate one that we can be motivated by how we see the number increasing yeah
nona masa masemete ndisi utona kuya musiaisi witwa wa Mutongo TV ata muika mwenende wa kawaida ona be asosome pathe musim amoito makwiye ngoma cia Tongo itwa masaku amenda akulwa ni thie nye ndio na bata wakuthi kwosa kura ingi kana kuyandikithia tene wethi ona nime usuku mwala kubi ndima kweto moko thio kakune kura lakini oyu isethia ni maite mwikio na Tongo imo ene utona mataviata ibinani yetu legele 2027 na twende kuyumbanisha usakwani
asante akamba kilando makumeni kana nene vinda ditu iwa kalonzo lazia nikele liki so adane vinda ditu amuka enda register enda register eta no da mwadhamie kundu kungi na wakunita bandu bangi vinda ila yengi enda ingi relocate kula yaku na do verify kana we legible no tona kukuna kula no tosie mabandiliku na ukethota kuna twitharungamite musumbi na musumbi kwenda mpaka na andu angi mwitha mwapete muno tata ina biji nikana tubenduke mwa moko na kula twibiniwa ulo usumbi muthuku ekala twibiniwa ithio ndeba mwa na nithe tukumia no na nungu future ni Genesis ni tona ku monitoring kana umelaikwa wingi enda imo register alama tena ibande mwanzo kibande na mwi register is very simple take it your role nundo onene wito the future is ours on plans ile kuna wasi ya serikali ni short term na long term ni sienu sia kuna long term na ile sia tumo empowerment 10 years yoka mezi hapa wake up register and report thank you
karibu sana muvyano ndo akuka akonena nya na sia isemeto ni kwa rezo si ndero cha kusia modia kana the whole weekend
kilanda mekwasia agamba tungame na umwe let's support each other tukatata kwetekela betrayal kana division ya ndo amendo to weekend side ye nikenda tuize na mwana wita wa Kalonzo strong kicho tuna kwasia na mayouth takwaje ningeteke bila James ye bama chako Central War 2027 na ni very serious let's stand up, let's lead our people nangaida mwathima muno na tuenda na kamba timuvya muno
asante timuvya na kuka konena nya na enende maitu na muno muika na kumathuthia mose ibande na meosa kura kwikire kana ni malulo Tongo iwa 2027 masakwe atongoi alame kwenda tina wamo kusukumia tina wamo kusukumia ndino wameatianyo kana maandamano ala mana abetete yoite kwenda maandamano wangi toenda amoika mose kura na maibendwa Tongo imasakwe ya Tongo yala ilu alame kwenda kwa Matongo esia nimuvya ndo kwatiania na itu ndini wakilungu kuma vai mwendo ni wasaili nginya oyu saitetu nini kwendea muthenya wa kwaila nita wabiti wa mwania tindanesa
asante